The main fabric of the magnetic self-priming door curtain is produced and processed using first-class raw materials such as BOP high transparent soft board, ensuring the high-definition transparency and softness of the door curtain. Summer air conditioning insulation, winter wind insulation, can maintain softness and hardness, and the entire magnetic strip design allows the door curtain to absorb without blind spots. The magnetic strip has strong cleaning power, which drives the top to bottom of the door curtain to close and withstand millions of times of opening and closing. Rubber edging is aesthetically pleasing and has a longer lifespan. After testing, it has strong wind resistance and good stability, and there are also multiple colors and options to choose from.